Okay, so here's the situation. In our VPS, especially in the production one, we kept having this space issue recently where the space would get filled up and the server goes nearly in a crashing situation. In some cases, it actually crashed. So to fix this, I kept having to go in manually by deleting files that are very large. Had to take care of the situation and bring it down to 90% or less. But when I dug deeper, I actually saw the Softaculous backup related to this site kept increasing the space load by 3.3 gigabyte each time on a pretty much weekly basis. So basically what I needed to do is to go back to cPanel and shut down this automated backup system. So I'm about to show you how that was done. This is the site in question, and this is the cPanel for this site. So I logged on and went all the way down to Softaculous app installer on WordPress, right click, went to the new tab. When I got here, I found this line right here, which was initially done with Softaculous. So I found the edit details, right click into a new tab. I always use new tabs so that I can backtrack where I'm coming from. And while looking through all these settings, I found automated backup was set to once a week. So I just wanted to change that to don't backup, because we have other ways to back it up. For example, Updraft. We use Updraft to back up to our S3, Amazon S3 system. So once I set this up, and all I have to do now is save installation details. Now I just want to go back to check one more time. So now that I'm here, just to make sure setup took what I wanted to do, edit details, and now it is set to don't backup. So hopefully this will not regenerate that 3.3 backup anymore, and our server will be breathing a little bit easier. That's it for now. Thanks.